Hi, I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Master Plan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link above will take you to the step-by-step guide to brew your own Blue Moon clone. I highly recommend you give this one a try. It is with great sadness that this marks the last appearance of the wonderful £30 Aldi mulled wine warmer, which required nursing through the various stages before we finally made it to the end this time. In this episode I share the various fumbles, some of the least amazing camera work, as I chop off my head, zoom in on the wrong spot and basically fail to bring into focus that which we need to see. And while I'm at it, I really do manage to muller Mittelfrau. There are also some relaxing moments amidst all the chaos, so pop open a bottle, sit back and enjoy the outtakes. Please feel free to share your comments, like and subscribe. Cheers everyone! Blue Moon Wheat Beer is one of my favourite drinks, so I am going to give it a try and see if I can brew one up myself. Additions here include coriander seeds and sweet orange peel, so this has a few extra ingredients. Cheers everyone, let's check it out. However, I am still nursing it through However, this message is coming through. Fun. Four additional litres, no. Oh, that looks very close. Cooling. The first hop addition is 10 grams of hallertauer Millerfrau. Time to turn on the temperature regulator. Bubble started already. Probably easy to get through now, I haven't blocked it. The water profile is spot on. Ashbeck water. The first and only hop addition at 60 minutes is 10 grams of Hallertauer Millerfrau. That gives us 11 IBUs of bitterness. This will mix in more neatly. This is looking good. Now, there is a bit of a haze to it in terms of appearance. So nice orangey colour, but I was looking for just a little more clarity, I think. Very light head, though it is carbonated, you can sort of see the carbonation bubbles. Aroma is quite light. You do get that light citrus feel to it. You know that flavour, it definitely brings through some of those citrus notes. Not necessarily orange per se, but I do have an orange. And I think that some of that, and I think part of the mouthfeel is definitely the coriander. Noisy area. Maybe this was a bad idea. Planes, trains and automobiles. Try that again. Look at that fabulous carbonation. Can you see that in the bar? I don't know if you can. And that will keep the camera, is it? And these little 330ml bottles that I've been drinking, they come in at a mere 70p. Lesson number 8 is the refractometer, and I still have that. Lesson number 8 is the... No, it's not. That's 9 down and 6 to go. The Blue Moon clone was the best yet. But the Homebrew Master Plan is struggling to stay on target. I've gone back to basics for the Marzen with a 5-litre recipe, but still haven't started the Summertime Juicy IPA. This is all going to be a big squeeze.